Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love elegant handmade style, you are going to love today's project. We are making these beautiful tiered crochet earrings. They are incredibly lightweight, take less than 15 minutes and combine my two favorite things, crochet and jewelry making. Let's get started. I have used pink and black yarns to create the two circles. Make 5 chain stitches and make a slip knot by inserting a hook into the first chain. We have created the base. Now, we insert the hook into each stitch and make single crochets. We make 2 single crochets into one loop for the whole circle. This gives us the 2 layers of the circle finished. Now for the next layer, we insert the hook into the first loop and make 1 single crochet. Then we insert the hook into the second loop and make 2 single crochets into the same loop. We follow this for the upcoming layers. The secret to keeping them perfectly flat without curling is increasing your stitches evenly in each round. While completing each round, we make a slip knot with the round's first stitch and then start the next round by making a chain stitch, and the same formula continues. Make 4 more rounds, that is 7 rounds in all. And here we make the final slip knot and our bigger circle is ready. And let us finish by fine tuning it. Once your circles are ready, we will weave in the loose ends tightly. Look at how neat these stitches look. The same pattern follows for the black yarn too, but this is a smaller circle. We stop with 5 rounds here. Now for the jewelry magic, use a ring to connect the 2 circles. This is done by making a small opening in the ring, putting the 2 circles inside and using a nose plier to connect it back. Now similarly, we use another ring to connect the top smaller circle with the earring hook. Give it a gentle sneeze to secure it and you're done. Look at how beautiful and aesthetic these turned out. They make the perfect handmade gift or a cute addition to your own collection. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit that like button and subscribe to our craft family so you never miss our uploads. Let me know in the comments what color combination you would make. See you in the next video. Bye bye.